Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a fully automated system for a Discord server in 2026. So if you want your server to run itself with AI replies, auto posts, moderation, and role systems, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, plan what you want to automate. So messages, welcome system, moderation, role assignment, content posting, and even support replies. Next, organize your server. I mean create channels like announcements, support, free zone, premium zone, and logs. So yeah, invite essential bots for moderation, auto roles, and scheduling. These bots are the foundation of automation. Now connect an AI chatbot system. This allows your server to answer questions, guide users, and respond automatically. So yeah, set up automatic welcome messages and role assignment. Every new member gets greeted and sorted instantly. Next, schedule bots to post daily content like tips, updates, or announcements. This keeps your server active 24/7. So yeah, use moderation bots or AI filters to remove spam, block bad words, and manage users automatically. This keeps your server clean without manual effort. Now connect everything together using bots, APIs, or automation tools. This creates a fully automated ecosystem inside your server. Finally, test your system. So check messages, roles, posts, and moderation to make sure everything works perfectly. And that's how to build a fully automated Discord server system in 2026. Once everything is connected, your server can basically run itself with minimal effort. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.